morning. As you see, I am all dressed. I am just wearing a full suit of black with some gold heels and my cute little purse. We are heading out. We're actually running into town right now quickly to go do something, and then we're coming back out, and we are having a road trip today, guys. Oh, I'm excited. I am ready. I've been waiting on this little road trip, so I'm excited. Can you guys guess where we're going? But anyways, and they gotta pack the bags and stuff like that, so when we come back we are all ready to go. But I need to go hurry up and take a picture for Instagram before Mr. Williams freak out on me, because we gotta leave and then yeah, come back. Oh, is there any water? I gotta put a water in here for him, and I gotta change his soother. So I'll catch you guys on the road. Pops, say hi. Say good morning, everybody. Good morning. No. Say good morning. My phone. Oh, yeah. Say good morning. So there's Mr. Williams. So it's just us three. Oh, hold on. So it's just us three. Sorry about the lighting, guys. My neck is a little bit wet because of my hair. Woo. Pops. So Mr. Williams don't have no seatbelt. That's why you hear the buzzing and the noise. Oh boy. You have a seatbelt. You have a seatbelt. Here, guys. You ready?
Eh? Where you forward?
Listen. In go take time buckle it so I don't hear the buckle click.
Wow.
You see it there? Yeah. If you guys would have listened keenly, you would have heard when he draw for the seatbelt.
Yeah.
He not buckle it yet. See there, you hear it? See how when me overseas on the phone, I know exactly when he doesn't have the seatbelt on, and I know when he put it on. Or he will let it continue beeping till it actually stops. Okay, if I don't hear that click, that's what gives him away. Well, now he knows my secret. What give him away? And me can't hear when he draw feet too. So, oh Lord. So yeah, like I said, we are running into town quickly, short notice. We are fly into town. Yeah. You ever hear what is that meme that they have when the girl, when she says she there foreign and not what she there? That's exactly what's going on right now. So we're flying into town, and then we are coming back quickly because we are going on a road trip today. I've been waiting, oh my goodness, for this road trip. So we will catch you guys on the road. I'm currently in the car, waiting on Mr. Williams. He's gone to go get what he needs to get done. I had to come back in the car with little man, so I'm sitting in the front seat with him because it is too hot. So we're outside standing, but it's too hot, and the AC does not reach with this car. The AC does not reach in the back. So the AC does reach in the back, but it doesn't it's not fully in the back like how it's supposed to be. So there's not like an actual part here, and the AC is able to flow in the back freely. It has to flow from up here to go in the back. So I'm just sitting here waiting on Mr. Williams. Hopefully he gets through quick and fast so we can get going, because boy, it is, today feels hot. It's what, 12 o'clock now, so it's hot and I'm hungry. The kids are waiting on us, so after we finish this we're heading straight back up and the road trip starts, the journey starts. Oh goodness gracious. Yeah, the journey starts. Little man is sleeping. He's getting back a heat rash again. This heat rash did clear up, but then it's coming back because we don't turn on the AC all the time in the house, just like when it's needed, and like we were doing work on the house, so that's why it wasn't on all the time as well. So yeah, Mr. Williams get here soon. I'm just here waiting on him, and I'm waiting on him at KFC's right there. I can literally smell the food. Right now, I would take a 3-piece. Even if I don't eat the 3-piece, No, we take the 3-piece. We can't eat 2 and go back and eat chicken later. You know the funny thing is, guys, I don't eat cold chicken. I don't know, like cold fried chicken. I've never, for me, it's never like tastes good. But I don't know. But I love my chicken. Like when I'm eating fried chicken, I love my fried chicken hot. So, oh, I'll finish.
No.
Lord have mercy. Oh, here, Mr. Williams. Hold on, guys.
I know go, Bill.
What?
No go, let it.
All in the car. This.
3 up front.
This is the whole reason why I said we need a bigger vehicle. Our family's growing, so we have 3 in the back because you look at only fit 3, and look how much of them in the front. But it's only for a temporary. It's a short ride. It's a short ride. Yeah, we have to give away one of our children for the time being.
You're not giving me willingly.
What?
How you argue?
I don't mean I'll give it. Lie, me I go. Go friend so.
You volunteer?
I
Oh
mean.
gosh.
Yeah, me go.
Yes, you volunteer for the family. Oh
go with them.
gosh. So yeah, but we're meeting. But Faith is going in a different
Because
car.
you're drinking little piece of Baileys.
How many know grandma?
Exactly. Oh, and I am hungry. I've not eaten nothing from morning.
Oh, my back a quit. Not even sweat. It's a quit.
They quit. But sorry for the lighting. Oh, I know. And the way it comes out in the back of the car, I think it's the tint.
It is the tint.
It's the tint that actually makes it look the way it looks.
Lighting?
One lighting. Yeah, you can turn off the AC.
Yeah, lighting.
The only make AC. Eh? Oh.
Turn it off.
No, leave your hand.
No, do
Turn it off. Oh gosh. Oh, Faith, I like your fit. Ah!
You know, I put on my pants first and I was like, you know what? No.
Yeah, he didn't wear that shirt yet. Oh, goodness.
No, because it wasn't meant to be worn yet.
Backside. Alright, so
Romero,
I
stop.
guess we'll catch you guys
Got it.
on the road. Shall my mic the shell out me top. Oh my. So we are finally on our way, guys.
Why do you care?
This one look like he was asleep. Pop's sleeping. Yeah, Pop is sleeping. And we are missing a child. So we got the 2 men in the car. Hey, ooh, Lord, give you guys a little bit of a scenery. Ooh, breeze.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move.
You don't have one already?
No, because I think about to input.
Yeah, I'll wait tomorrow. Your back side, you don't have one already?
I know.
We have one, but you just in just this.
Alright guys, Pops! So as you can see, we are childrenless. Well, except for one. We're like a handbag. We're traveling with our little handbag.
Yeah, this is a little handbag, yeah.
So we end up dropping off everybody else so they can get
don't
stuff.
Take me park, man. You know you don't take me park.
They can't sit in it. Oh sorry, Pops. So they can set up and get the stuff them set up until we get back. So that is what they are doing. Now we are heading elsewhere quickly, so we will show you guys when we get there. Yeah, Mr. Williams on his seatbelt again, but see him put it on. So when we reach, guys, we will show you guys when we get there. Oh, I'll finally get a little bit of AC. Oh, I need to something there. See, you know, so I don't have nothing on. I don't have on my swimsuit, huh? I have to go completely change. Hey Pops, not even you don't have on for your swimsuit. When you go back, we just have to go strip it down. Yeah? Go get something there. So, yeah, so we're on a good journey. And yeah, we'll be back soon.
Miss Williams, where are you?
Where am I? Where am I? You guys are about to see where we are at. Mr. Williams is about to show you. I got to stay in the car with Pops.
So we're at one of our favorite spots in Jamaica. Yeah.
One of our favorite
we're
spots.
going to get some stuff. Both to eat. No. So we're at border. What do you mean there when yeah, what's your name? Here? Yeah.
Annie!
Oh, are you fried dumpling lady?
Yeah.
Is on there? Wagwan! Yeah man, I passed you! Wagwan, mommy.
You want to plate of fish today?
Yeah man, I want fish man.
Yeah, eat here.
Yeah, carry with me. I'm going. Trying to fish them.
500.
What's here? You want soup? What kind of soup you have?
Yeah, fish and corn.
I have some funny. I think I fish.
One fish. One fish tea. Small
I
one.
have a fish or come to man. Why not? You want conch or you want fish tea?
Conch.
You say conch what you want?
Conch give one. All of this you want? All of this. Hi baby. Hi honey. Daddy-o.
Pepper. Morning.
Remember me too?
Yeah. How much steam bomb you have?
One more. One more.
Yeah.
I want to set up a show one.
Not some more. Oh, sorry about it. I never realized you're ready. How much is it? I'm coming.
You want to put all of the fish them?
Eh? Yeah, man. Sean, you want pepper pan and fish them?
Of course.
Are you the one who care over you know, Penny?
Half of more on them.
You might be spoiled.
No, what you would have put it on the side then?
No, I'm put it Penny. You're not going to spoil tomorrow, so.
Exactly, you're not going to spoil.
Man, you put him up, you know?
No, but festival, you get festival?
You have festival for them?
No, you have me want festival.
Alright. How much bami you want? What bami you want?
The Sydney one?
Yeah, it's steam bami.
Now? How much bag?
Me don't eat.
Yeah, me I go eat the steam bami now.
Alright, so take what, two?
Two bag?
What's that?
We do?
They got
Two
school.
bag we do it?
What about that?
Get three.
They got school.
Come on. Hey, 250.
Ivory.
Tabagan.
What next pack of fry?
Wild card.
Then I put on festival night.
You want festival? Yeah, oh, yeah, festival day.
I share festival.
Where is the festival again? I don't remember.
53.
Yeah. Give me... How much? 253.
Half dozen,
Give me half dozen.
Yeah, over this. That good now.
How much one of them again?
2 sets
How much you want it?
Amen, hallelujah, under there.
Eh?
And I know what I give it yet, serious.
Alright, so...
Nah. 2816 and he buy me a few 1,800. That's 17
give me one more. Now run with a fish, man.
No man.
Let me answer you what kind of
Yeah, more fish man from me a fry.
Boss, no Stevie show. Steve Tom. French fry lobster.
Eh? No service, what on?
No service for there. Current gone.
How are you say to me?
Current gone.
What do you say? No good sign, man.
In time current gone, no service.
Thank you.
In time current
Don't
gone.
to them now.
Well, me mix them with parrot and sinapa, so they
You
can
what kind of fish you say,
serve.
Yes, yes.
Hold this mic.
What is your name again?
Parrot and snapper.
Parrot.
And me put parrot and snapper in that.
They're different.
So you want some more then?
Yeah, with parrot.
Your
in it.
parrot, alright.
Put, you can mix it, but put parrot. I think a parrot is, I don't know what it's
I must parrot, man.
Eh?
I must parrot.
Full of meat.
Yes, a parrot. A
Okay.
parrot. We mix them in a this too. The 4 set, right? It's a 3.
Give me the other one now with the
Parrot.
parrot. I can mix it still. Is that a parrot? That
Yeah.
no? Yeah. Yeah, mix it.
Let me get one.
Big one up close.
You want some? Yeah, man.
So we have festival in the bag. Estimate $250 for 3, so this is $500. Six festival. I think it's a $900 or $200 bami. It's a steam bami. Then one here don't look about it.
What's the parrot, right?
You run out of fish, man.
More fish and fry, man. My son loves your fry.
Let's see, man. You not go this year?
No, sir. That's what this is.
Yeah.
Stay with it.
Go on, pick up now, man.
That he come back, you know.
Not very nice.
No. Dada. Alright, me already took care.
Mark that one.
Yeah.
I put in our plastic bag. So you know, say, this is one I have.
And look, the Esco Beach, they can put the Esco Beach on that one there now. Where's the alligator in the water?
Me say, look where they want to see what eat them in there. Yeah, hold up there. Lay down one piece of in there and I lay down there.
Oh yeah.
One piece of each one of them now pan. Alright, so this is
Yeah.
one is enough for us. So you know, so you put them in a hit, so you will know. So this is one, yeah. Happy hit. So that's alright then.
Yeah, how much is
You're
that
good?
now?
So 4 8 32 33,800.
32,000.
33,800. You don't want no more by me? Oh, 33,800. And the festival, how much festival is it?
6,500.
34.
Who are my bras there? Who are my mind?
Firewood. Firewood. You want pack of fries?
I'm here for steam.
Yeah.
Oh, I see one.
Alright, thanks for your baby.
No problem, man.
Alright, man. No
problem. Yeah, this a bun me up, man.
So disappear.
Alright.
You good? Malipio?
Yes, man.
Alright.
I come back early, my bed, and so you want to see. Link my bed, and so man. Can't listen more. Oh, yeah, hide some of you.
So I two in the kitchen at the right.
Man, I eat.
After the right thing, man.
So everything good?
Everything level, man. They are going to for him.
Yeah, man, I pass to your place, you know?
Yeah, man.
You know, so you have to make a one stop.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, so I look around here. Yeah, man. Alright, boss. Take it easy, yeah? Yeah, man. Eh? Where's Sean? Oh, you know me? See how it is?
I'm a subscriber.
This is Shanley.
I'm a subscriber.
Oh, nice one, nice.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah. So yeah, meet people where you go.
Guys, we just met one of our subscribers. Oh, big up to yourself. I don't even know what her name is. It was really nice meeting you, Han. Oh gosh, just sorry if we did not catch your name in the vlog.
We're in a hurry.
We're in a hurry because we're going to the beach. Yeah, right, Pops? Say we're going to the beach. I'm going in water.
I'm a partner money done.
You say you spend half of my partner money? Oh my.
How will you pay a partner this good?
No, we go pay a partner. Oh. Okay, we have to go rob a bank. Anybody wants to sponsor us so we can pay with partner? Times rough. Times are rough. Oh gosh. Romario, daddy can't buy your feeding. He our pampers. Can go spend all the money about that. Hey, go buy fish. No?
We buy 3 parcels of fish.
One for eat now?
3 parcels of fish. So you have 2 big over.
And one for eat now.
1 feet now.
Did you get festival?
Yeah, we get 2 bag of festival. That's 6 million.
2, that's it. And how much for me?
Steam bami.
Yeah, all that me want.
2 steam bami.
Okay. Yes, alright. You ready to go swim, Pops? Pops, you ready to go in the water? Yay!
You want a free one too?
Oh, I should get a free fish? Yeah. Oh, thank you, nice lady, for the free fish. Oh, well, that's how you do business, man. We always go to them. Every time we buy fish, we just go to that one spot. Alright, guys, so we have reached where we're going. Pops, look at your fat face in the camera. Mirror, may pass me go away. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. There we are at the beach. Oh gosh. Finally reach. Float, yeah.
Hi, sir.
No, almost 2.5 then I saw one for.
It was $500.
Oh no, they take out the float to them.
I want to
I want one. Go ask maybe the other one, I don't know. I'm gonna accent might different. Alright.
I have so much story to get answered. Come here! I'm just have them. I swear to God. No, not yeah, but yeah, can it? Oh!
Okay, fine, friend.
No work, man. No work. I am in this. I'm like to let them.
Wow.
You know what we have to do then?
Oh gosh. Wow. Having fun?
Wait, that's right back on Mario. Stay back there, maybe actually be mad.
Oh, and say, oh, I beat that over.
You never know.
Oh gosh. You say place nice and quiet. Yeah,
What is your?
ice, you know.
I don't use my ice box.
Yeah. I go put on something there. On him. I'm here to laugh.
You never have a show, granddad.
I'm here to laugh. There's a smile. Yeah, I see that smile. Alright guys, so we are at the beach. Everybody enjoy themselves. Yeah. What you say? We got a little jerk fan. We got a little jerk fan going. Yeah. Blow, Mr. Williams, blow. I'm gonna go say Miss smell rum. Oh, what you drinking, sir? Appleton with lime or is that lemon?
Lemon.
It's a
Arizona.
high class drinks and some Arizona drinks. I see everybody out. Enjoy. Oh, look at the sun. Not sunset yet, but Mr. Williams.
They are not our fears we see. No point will